Alright, this is Jeff Stunker, and we are at the Big Train Show, Junction City, Tennessee, ETSU Minidome. We're looking at the Sippin Switching modular layout, 10,000 plus square feet of HO scale. Prior to the show starting on Thursday, May 29th, we're continuing our tour. This will be the fourth video. Check it out. Alright, we ended a minute ago with our Southern Steamer coal service. Clinchfield Code Drive. We'll go around and catch this on the other side. Local favorite here. Clinchfield ran right next to this building before it was built back in the 1960s and 70s. They moved the line up beyond the university to a different gradient to get it out of the streets of Jackson City. So based on my paint schemes, we're looking at coming toward the end. Got a long train. Alright, our Clinchfield coal train is coming through. Again, very nice module. North Carolina State University, Reynolds Coliseum. I don't know where that's at. Here it comes. Like most campuses, there's fences to keep drunk kids from walking out the track. Did I say that? All right. To keep them absent-minded kids from walking out the track. While I wait for our Clinchfield train, we'll take a look at this again. This wonderful detailing on this module here. Sit in the hole for a minute. Australia?
Yeah. Yep. Fresh from Australia.
Good.
New.
All right, now we're back underway. Let this go. Very nice. Very, very nice all the way around. All right, this is Jeff Stunker. We'll be back.